Greetings, Chairman Mo Dennis and members of the Senate Education Committee. My name is Annie Polak, and I'm here as a sixth grade teacher in the Washoe County School District and as a member of the Washoe Education Association. Thank you for taking your time to hear me today. Senate Education Committee members, I'm here to discuss the harsh realities that large class sizes have on our children. There are a small number of variables in education that both influence student learning and are subject to legislative action. Class size is one. Assemblywoman Brittany Miller will be bringing a bill forward this session to address this issue. Please remember my testimony when considering her bill. Some people believe that class size does not affect a student's learning. However, you can read many studies, including Project STAR, that tell you exactly the opposite, that smaller class sizes greatly increase student achievement. And having 15 years of teaching experience with small and large class sizes, I can tell you from personal experience that the number of students in my classroom directly and significantly affects my students' achievement. The national student-to-teacher ratio average is 15.96 students per one teacher. According to the National Education Association's ranking of the states for the 2017 school year, Nevada has the highest student-to-teacher ratio, with nearly 26 students per one teacher. However, many of our students are in classes with many more than the state's average. Last year, I had 35 sixth grade students, and this year I have 34 sixth grade students. I have more than double the national average of ratio of student to teacher. With class sizes this large, much of my time with students in the classroom is spent on classroom management rather than classroom instruction. Furthermore, much of my time outside of the classroom is spent assessing loads of work when I could be planning meaningful lessons for my students who deserve the best education they can get. With less time for classroom instruction and planning meaningful lessons, of course students will not make the progress that they potentially could, and that is just not fair to them. Nevada students, our students, many of whom are your children and grandchildren, deserve the best education they can get. With large class sizes, that is not possible. The intricacies of allocating funds from the budget lie in the hands of the legislators. I urge you to use funds from the IP1 room tax and marijuana tax money to supplement, rather than supplant, the education budget in order to allow funds for hiring more teachers and decreasing class sizes. Does your child get the best education that he or she deserves? Or does your child get the best classroom management that he or she can get? They are vastly different. You choose. I ask for your support of Assemblywoman Brittany Miller's bill. Thank you for taking your time to hear me today.
Thank you very much. Okay, I think we did 3 here. Let's go down to Las Vegas and do 2.